Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was making a video for you guys a couple of days ago, and then I spilled my edible gold dust on the table. If you're a cake decorator and you buy these things, you know how expensive it is. I think this size is about 10 or 15 grams, and it's about 600 grams. Like, that's about 22, almost $25. It is expensive, and I use a lot of them. And when I spill it, I feel like I should be flogged. Like, I had to put it in slow motion for you guys. Because when it spilled, I felt like crying, seriously, because I was like, what is this? And it is very difficult to pack. But I was lucky because it kind of spilled on like my cake board and some on the table, so it was a little bit like easier for me to scoop up and everything. Okay, so like I felt so bad and I felt so angry, and I just bought it that day. Like, I picked it from the post office that day, so it felt really annoying and I was so mad. Anyway, so I said, okay, let me make a special video out of this for you guys, so maybe you can get a kick out of it if you buy a lot of these things. Okay, so this was how my gold dust spilled, and I felt like I spilled my own blood because like it is annoyingly expensive, and I have a gold addiction. So like, almost every cake I make, there is gold on it. I don't know, even sometimes I just use it to highlight. It doesn't call for it, but I just feel like it makes everything pop. Okay, anyways, I found a way to kind of pack it back and like pack it as best as I could. And I had like a cellophane tape. Like, is it cellophane tape? Like a cellophane plastic. I don't know if that makes sense. There's this transparent thing people used to like make transparent cake boxes. Yes, I had to cut one of my transparent cake boxes to, scoop it up and everything. Okay, anyways, without boring you, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you got a kick out of this. Bye.